Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. As I have been saying for the last few months that the new frontier in AI is video generation models. For the last couple of months, I am observing a plethora or flurry of models which are claiming to be state of the art when it comes to text to video and image to video generation. But to be honest, I am yet to see a world class state of the art model. The only model which has so far impressed me is Google VO2, but it is not an open source Apache 2 licensed model and we cannot install it locally. Other than that, there have been good efforts, but I am yet to see a good model. In this video, we are going to have a look at yet another open source Apache 2 license text to video or image to video, or even video to video generation model from Sand AI. The model is MAGI-1. It's a large scale generative AI model designed for video synthesis that is capable of producing high quality and temporally coherent videos from text, images, or short video inputs. We are going to install this model locally and then we will see how it works. The good thing about this model is that instead of generating an entire video at once, MAGI-1 works by sequentially creating chunks, fixed length segments of 24 consecutive frames using an autoregressive approach. Each chunk is progressively denoised in latent space, and once a certain denoising level is achieved, the next chunk's generation begins. This has been conditioned on all previous chunks. This method enforces strict temporal causality and allows multiple chunks to be processed concurrently, making the model particularly suited for streaming and real-time video generation tasks. The chunk-wise pipeline also keeps computational and memory demands constant during inference, no matter the overall video length, and supports controllable generation and smooth transition. I will be talking a bit more about its architecture later down the road in the video, but for now let's get it installed. For the VM and GPU, I'm very grateful to Mass Compute for sponsoring it. And if you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system for this, and my GPU card is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. So let's get started. The only prerequisite you need for this one is to have Docker installed, because thankfully what they have done, they have shared a very easy to follow instructions when it comes to Docker image, so that we don't have to worry about all the dependencies and all that stuff. So make sure that you have Docker installed, and you can see that I have it installed with the recent version. If you don't know how to install it, please search my channel. I already have done a very simple to follow a video on it. So you see I have just pulled a Docker image for Sand AI's MAGI model. This is going to download everything on our local system. This is quite a huge image, so let's wait for it. While it downloads, let me also give a huge thanks to Camel AI, who are sponsoring the video. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws, with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. So while it downloads the image and extracts it, let's talk a bit more about the architecture of this MAGI model. The core architecture builds on a transformer-based variational autoencoder. Video data is first compressed into a latent space using a stack of transformer blocks, as you can see in this diagram, which enables fast and efficient denoising compared to traditional convolutional VAE. These transformer layers are enhanced by new distributed attention mechanism tailored for handling long-range temporal dependencies and large context window. MAGI-1's autoregressive denoising combines diffusion techniques and flow matching distillation to optimize both speed and video fidelity. The infrastructure emphasizes efficient parallelization and adaptability, which supports variable video resolutions and duration. And that is why MAGI also says that you can create videos of any duration. And you can even use it in video editing scenarios, but I think that is for the later part. Okay, let's go back and see what is happening. Still downloading, so we will just wait. And the image is downloaded. Took around 5 minutes, by the way. And now let's run the Docker container from this image. So I'm just specifying this image and then some of the parameters to use my GPU and then some of the memory parameters. And I'm running it on localhost. And there you go. So it has run it, and it is, you can see that I am now logged in as a root to the container. Once within the container, we need to git clone the repo of MAGI-1. It's a public repo, so let's wait for it. And you can see that now we are in that repos directory which has been locally cloned. The good thing is that if you go into the example directory, you will see that they have provided the inference code for both 4.5 billion and 24 billion. I just have this 48 GB of VRAM, so I'm going to go with this 4.51. If you check out this, you will see that they have provided this run.sh file. So this is what we need to run. So all this is doing, it is just calling this text to video mode. You can do with I2V by providing the image file, but I'm just going to go with this config file, and the prompt is just good boy, and then it is going to create this output in this MP4 format. So let me go back to my MAGI-1 root and then run this. And from the root of the repo, I'm just running this bash script with run.sh file. And the first time when you run this, it is going to download all of these models, and you just have to wait for it. So it downloads 3 models: the actual MAGI-1 model, the variational autoencoder model, and also the text encoder. I believe it is using T5. And there you go. The model has taken long time, over half an hour, to create a very short video, eventually with just 3 words like a good boy. And one correction here is that I had to go with 24 billion model because 4.5 billion is still not available, and it took around 44 gig of VRAM, as you can also see from the output here. So let me take you to my browser and I will show you what a good boy looks like, because it was a surprise for me too. So this is the video. Let me play it. So that's a good boy. It's very interesting. Maybe we could make our prompt more elaborate, like a human boy or whatever, but you can see it has created a good video. It's not a bad video at all. Maybe a bit, I would say, blurry, but other than that, if you look at the face of the dog, that looks good. I don't see any malformity or anything like that. What do you think? So pretty good effort, I would say. So that's it. Let me know what do you think about this MAGI-1. I think they could improve their time. Plus, I guess 4.5 billion would be good. 24 billion is a bit high in my opinion. And as I said, it's a new frontier, very early days. I think it's a first version they have released. So let's see how it goes as the time progresses. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.